In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Etsy to Payoneer in just 5 minutes. If you're a seller on Etsy looking to streamline your payment process, this guide is for you. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Etsy website. If you haven't bookmarked it yet, simply type Etsy into your search bar, and it should be one of the top results. Navigate to the Etsy homepage and look for the login option at the top right corner. Click on it and enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you should be greeted by your personalized Etsy dashboard. Once you're in, direct your attention to the Sell on Etsy option, usually located around the same top right area of the page. Clicking on Sell on Etsy will take you to the seller's portal. This is the central hub for everything related to your store's sales, listings, and settings. Next, it's time to start setting up or updating your store. When you're going through the process of creating or managing your store details, you'll eventually come across the How You'll Get Paid section. This is a crucial part because this is where you can finally integrate Payoneer details. Within this section, scroll down until you see the option that allows you to add your bank information. This is where the magic happens. You're going to add your Payoneer virtual bank details here, enabling you to connect the two platforms seamlessly. Type in the required information as it appears on your Payoneer account page. Make sure you double-check all details to avoid any issues with your payment disbursements later on. After you've thoroughly entered all necessary details, click on Save and Continue to ensure everything is properly recorded. This step is vital to confirming that your listed bank details are up to date and active. And there you have it, all set up and ready to go. You have successfully connected your Etsy account to your Payoneer, streamlining your payment process and potentially making your financial operations a lot smoother. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more useful tips on managing your online business. Remember, connecting Etsy to Payoneer is just the beginning. Keeping both accounts updated and secure is equally important to enjoy a hassle-free selling experience. Have a great day.